Hello again, everyone. We are looking at the third video of this series, and here we are looking at how to create a contact or how to track details of an individual that you work with, like who is associated with an organization. It could be a customer, partner, or any organization that you work with in your sales roles. So, as you can see, under sales, you can track contacts who are individuals, and if you go to here, there is a view selector which sort of shows different categories or different views that you have available to see contacts. And on the active contact, you can already see that there are details of individuals being entered or has been entered into the application already. So simply similar to creating an account, it's just tapping of a new button, and the first field that you have to enter is the name. So the first name is recommended and the last name is mandatory. Let me enter the name of a friend of mine, Afraz Ashraf, and then job title. You can put what role does this person play in the organization that you're talking about, head of IT in this case, and what is the account name. So the account has to be already created in the system, like we explored in the previous video, and then you'll be able to see that it's visible in this particular list that we can explore. So as you type along, you should be able to see that it's filtered, and you don't have to enter whole account names. Even if you enter part of it, the system will be able to pick it up very quickly. And the fourth field would be the role of this particular contact in the organization. So we have created a number of roles like that. IT roles, like head of IT is an IT role. Logistics, like logistics manager. Finance manager, accounts executive will be for finance, and management, like general managers, operations managers will be here, and so on. So Afraz is head of IT. He's an IT contact, and capturing the contact details like business phone, mobile phone is also mandatory because we'll be using these details in the sales process. So let me enter some numbers here, and mobile phone like so. Let me put one number in. There you go. And the email address is also mandatory because we need to be entering, like we need this because system has capability of sending quotations and emails and stuff like that by itself, so which we'll be exploring in the future. So in order to do that, it's mandatory that you have an email address set up for this particular contract. So let me set this up at you, something like that, and now we have basically entered the basic details that you need for this particular contract. So I'll be saving it here, and you can see that the contract has been created. And if you go back to accounts and go to University of Bahrain account, which we have created before, now you can see that Afraz is automatically associated in this particular record. And the other one that you have is there is something called a primary contact. The primary contact is the one that you primarily on a daily basis or weekly basis work with, when you're working with this particular account. So let me put Afras as the primary contact here, and then be able to use or see his details very easily within the account record itself. Right, you can click this button and add additional contacts as well. This is a contact quick create. You'll be able to enter those details under account record or under opportunity record, as we'll be looking at later. And this is also very similar to what we have seen, so you'll be able to very easily capture these information and add these into the account. So that's it about contracts, and hope you've got a good idea about how this work, and let's explore the sales records in the next video. Thank you.